Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. This question is from one of my students. He asked me a couple of days ago, and after I want to, it is DSE M2. After I want to present this question, I discovered his paper, his test during this period is most of question very similar to this question in those question to this year 2025. For example, in this question it is similar. It's the first principal question. For part A, fx is tangent to x. Then we have to simplify this one. Okay, we first simplify this one. F pi over 6 plus h minus f pi over 6. In this case, we can see that tangent 2 times pi over 6 minus h minus 2 tangent 2 times pi over 6. 2 tangent pi over, that is tangent pi over 3 plus 2h. That's tangent pi over 3 is root 3. And using the combined angle formula, the first term is tangent pi over 3 plus tangent 2h minus 1 minus tangent pi over 3 tangent 2h minus square root 3. And tangent pi over 3 is root 3 plus 2 plus tangent 2h. This is 1 minus root 3 tangent 2h. Then the next step, make a common denominator. And 1 minus root 3 tangent 2h, root 3 plus tangent 2h minus root 3, then plus 3 times tangent 2h. Yes, so nice. We got the answer. Then for the next step, find this at pi over 6 from first principle. By the first principle, this is limit h tend to 0, f pi over 6 plus h minus f pi over 6 over h. That is equivalent to, I only have to put this into the next step. Then over 1 more h. Okay, in this case, you can see that only this tangent can be separated into two parts. One is sine 2h. The other part is over cosine 2h. And this is h. And that remaining part, this is remaining part, I just put into the sine of cosine 2h. And insert one more 2. This is becomes 8. In this case, this part is 1. This part is 1. This part is 0 when h tend to 0. Therefore, we have h times 1 over 1 This is 1 minus 0. The overall is 8. Yes, this is the solution of this part. I discovered that it's very similar to the question to this year, 2025 DSE M2 question. I forgot the test question, maybe question 2 or 1. So I don't understand why this school has tips. Okay, but anyway, I will share other question later. Hope guys can enjoy this video. Hello, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Math channel. And this question is from one of Form 5 student, DSE M2. And after his uniform test, he asked me this question. Okay, this for the first part, it is obvious. Prove this identity. We have to use sum product. Then for sine x plus pi over 8, cosine pi over 24 minus x. 4 times 1 over 2, both are sine. Then the first one is sine x plus pi over 8 plus pi over 24 minus x. And plus the difference of two angles. Okay, and this is 2, and this is sine pi over 6, and this is 2x plus pi over 12, and then sine pi over 2 is 1 over 2. Then expand the 2 into the factor. Then we have 2 sine 2x plus pi over 12 plus 1. That is the identity for part A. For part B, you can see that actually this part is equivalent to the square of this part. Then I over 1 over 4 to the other side. Therefore, the first part should be this equation. The first part should be 1 over 4 times 1 over 4 square times 2 sine 2x plus pi over 12 plus 1 all square. This is first part. And the second part, okay, I erase some something so that I can release some space for me to write another things. And that this one is exactly this one. Therefore, this is low square. Then 7 times 1 over 4 times this one and equal to 2. That's part B. Okay, I write in this. Okay, simplify this one. This is 1 over 4 overall, 1 over 4. This 7 over 4. And after I multiply both hand side by 4, that I also skip this part. This 8 and minus x equal to 0. And you can see that is y squared plus 7y minus x equal to 0. Then y should be equal to, let me use calculator. Then y equal to 1 or minus x. Therefore, in this case, we have sine 2x plus pi over 12 equal to 1 or minus x. For that 1 minus x is not the range of the equation. Therefore, we get this part. And this 1 I missed, plus 1 equal to 1, and this becomes sine 2x plus pi over 12 equal to 0. Let's look back to the range of x. X should be 0 to pi. X is 0 to pi. 2x is 0 to 2 pi. 2x plus pi over 12 should be equal to pi over 12, and here is 25 pi over 12. Okay, therefore I'm here need to write down all possible angles in this range. The first one is not 0, pi. The second is 2 pi. No, that only 2. Then for the first one, I got the answer. It's 11 over 24 pi. The second one is 23 pi over 24. That is the solution of this combined angles from combined trigonometry equation. And I doubt that this equation, this trigonometry equation is very similar the question to this year, 2025. I doubt something, but anyway, I hope guys can enjoy this video, and if you found Dr.K.Liu Math channel is useful, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Math channel. This question is DSE M2 and mathematical induction. This question is very similar to the question to this year, 2025 DSE M2 exam. Okay, let's look at this question. Using mathematical induction, prove that this identity, and therefore I'm here let Sn be the statement summation k from 1 to 2n k squared over 2k 2 to the power k equal to 6 minus 2n squared plus 4n plus 3 over 2 to the power 2n minus 1 for n equal to positive integer. Okay, for n equal to 1, left hand side is two terms, that is the summation k from 1 to 2. That is, the first term is 1 over 2. The second term is 2 squared over 2 squared. That is 3 over 2. For the right hand side, I put n equal to 1 directly into the expression. Yeah. Then I also use calculator to calculate the value is 3 over 2. Therefore, S1 is true. Yes, assume SP is true. That is, this statement is true for n equal to p. And for SP plus 1, the left hand side is summation k from 1 to 2 p plus 2, which is equivalent to this part plus extra 2 part, 2 more part. The one part is 2p plus 1. The other part is 2p plus 2. Here I keep, because I know the answer already, I think I keep the 6 here and make common denominator for all this one. And this, the last one is 2 square p plus 1. Then I can cancel 1. Therefore, the common denominator is 2 to the power 2p plus 1. Therefore, the first one I have to multiply by 4. The second one keep unchanged. The third one has cancelled 1, 2, and only 2 times p plus 1 all square. That is the main things here. But because I factorized the negative side outside, therefore this 2 pi is negative. I calculate directly this one. I can finally get 8p squared plus 16p plus 12. The second one is 4p squared minus 4p minus 1. The third is 2p squared minus 4p minus 2. Finally, and cancel all the terms and simplify. The answer is 6 minus 2p squared plus 8p plus 9 over 2 to the power 2p plus 1. Okay, and then I write the right hand side. Right hand side should be like that. Replace p by, replace p by p plus 1. Therefore, that is 2 times p plus 1 squared plus 4 times p plus 1 plus 3. 2 to the power 2p plus 1. And I also simplify all the terms. I just calculate it directly. I finally get the answer. 2p squared plus 8p plus 9. Which is actually equal to left hand side. Therefore, SP plus 1 is true. By MI, SN is true for all n belongs to a positive integer. That is the first part of this question. And second part, okay, for part B, and that is very similar to this part. Yes, but we can see that one thing is that the denominator is not 2 to the power k. It is 2 to the power k plus 1. Therefore, I have to factorize that 2. 1 over 2 outside the bracket. Yeah. Okay, I factorize. Oh, that's k. And we can see that this is 10 to 20. This but the original formula is 1 to 2n. Then I summation 1 to 20 and minus the left part. The left part is summation 1 from 1 to 9. And this is odd. This is odd number, not even number, because the upper limit should be even number. Therefore, I'm here make that not to 9, but rather to 8, and minus an extra term, the life term. That life term should be 9 squared over 2 to the power 9. Okay, and then 20 is 2 times 10. 8 is 2 times 4. Then I can apply the formula of this one. For the first part, 6 minus 2 times 10 squared plus 4 times 10 plus 3 over 2 to the power 2. 10 times 10 minus 1 is 19. Okay, the second part, 6 minus, in this case, the n should be equal to 4. 6 minus 2 times 4 squared plus 4 times 4 plus 3 over 2 to the power 2 times 4 minus 1 is equal to, yes, 7. Yes, u. It is u. Okay. The last term is 2 to the power 9, also u. The numerator is 9 squared is 81. Okay, let me open a new page. And now I'm here. I only use calculator. Then this 6 is cancelled. This 2 6 cancels, and then first part is the denominator 2 to the power 19, and that here is 243. Let me check. Yes, 243, and here plus 2 to the power 7. It is. Let me see. 51. I double check here. Yes, 51. And the last part is 2 to the power 9, 81. Okay, I make common denominator. The denominator is 19, yes. 240. Oh, sorry, this negative sign. Oh, I missed here. Let me see. Yeah. And plus, this should be times 51 times 2 to the power 12 minus 81 times 2 to the power 10. Okay, let me see that the final answer. Oh, great. The denominator is 2 to the power 20. The numerator is positive. It is positive. Let me see. 125,709. That is the final answer of this question. Okay. I hope guys can enjoy this video. If you think you found Dr.K.Liu Maths channel is useful, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. This question is quite tricky. In general, if we try to integrate this kind of function, we have to use T method. Let T equal to tangent x over e. It is a well-known fact, so-called T formula. But here, we can use another method to find that. Of course, this is not a general method, but it is a very useful method. It is so-called decomposition of the sine cosine. And okay, let's go to the detail of this question. This question is actually from DSE M2, one of my students. He want me demonstrate how to do this question. Okay, for part 1. First, I expand this one. We group the terms to one term sine, one term cosine, so that we can compare the coefficient of sine and cosine to get the answer of P and Q for the left hand side, right hand side. Then expand this P minus 2Q sine plus 2P plus Q cosine. Then we have two equations. One equation is 2P plus Q equal to 10. The other equation is P minus 2Q equal to minus 5. This 2. 2 can be P equal to 2Q minus 5. And put 2 into 1. Then 2Q minus 5 plus Q equals to 10, 4Q or 5Q. So Q. This 20. That is Q equal to 4, and P can be get by put back the answer to the equation. It is 3. Okay, then it means we have 10 cosine x minus 5 sine equal to P 3 times sine x plus 2 cosine x plus 4 cosine x minus 2 sine x. Okay, this is part A. For part B, in the evaluating the integral, 2 cosine x minus sine x over 2 cosine x plus sine x. One of main step, I create the 10. 10 means 1 over 5. 10 cosine x minus 5 sine x, 2 cosine x plus sine x. This can be decomposed into 2 parts. One part is this one. Yes. Then we can separate two parts. One part is 3, so good. The other part is 4 minus 5, 4 over 5 integrate cosine x minus 2 sine x, 2 cosine x plus sine x. Then we can discover that these terms can be combined together, form a, oh, this is 3x. D 2 cosine x plus sine x. The enclosed by the green highlight becomes D 2 cosine x plus sine x. So lucky. Actually, this is the creative. If you know how to create the format of the differentiation, you can get most of the you can KO most of the question. Okay, go back to this question. This is natural log 4 over 5 times natural log 2 cosine x plus sine x. This is the solution of this part. Okay, I hope guys can enjoy this video. If you find Dr.K.Liu Maths channel is useful, please 各位同學，咁嗱，以下呢條咧係一位 Form 5嘅同學仔問我㗎，咁就其實呢類問題我都講過好多 present 好多次啊，但係其實我喺呢度借住呢條題目講，即係帶出一個即係我自己嗰個教學嗰個理念啦。even 佢講過好多次，但係因為佢去到嗰個階段咧，其實係需要即係輔助嘅，咁所以佢問到嘅時候咧，咁佢未必揾得翻你之前嗰條片喺邊度，或者之前嗰啲片，咁即係可能未必即時留意到，咁所以我都會繼續去同佢講翻嗰個方法嘅。咁呢啲就係教學裡面嗰個你覺得好沉悶嘅嘢啦。咁但係我哋如果做教育嘅人咧，就唔會話即係覺得呢啲好煩嘅。如果咁樣話咧，就唔係一個即係好嘅老師㗎啦。咁不過 anyway 啦，咁即係如果你哋有嘢要問，就唔好介意話我嗰度有講過啊咁嗰啲，我唔會即係除非我對同一個人講過啦。Otherwise 嘅話咧，我都唔會講呢啲説話嘅，咁就即係你當然可以睇翻我啲片，即係我啲片就會有即係有好多都包攬性嘅，因為一年不斷咁重複，一年咁重複嘅話，你就會重複咗好，即係有啲題目會 topic，即係會 present 過。當然同一條 Excel 而家唔會一樣啦，但係個 format 就會一樣嘅。好，咁我哋而家 go back to 呢個啦，咁計呢條 integration by substitution， 其實呢個係 quadratic 嚟 quadratic 嘅話咧，就第一個樣嘢咧就係將個 computing square 先 compute 咗先 咁 x square 加 4x 加2嘅二次減即係加9，變咗咁樣，咁就會變咗 x 加2嘅二次加9，咁所以佢會 in 呢嚿嘢嘅時候咧，你首先可以將佢變咗做 x 加2嘅 all square 加9，咁然之後再用個 Trigonometry substitution，let x 加2等於3 tangent theta dx 等於3 secant theta square theta d theta， 咁樓下咧就會變咗係3即係二次 tangent square theta 加9分之1，呢個咧就3 secant square theta d theta。咁你可以發現到咧，其實可以約到嘅，因為呢個下面變咗做9 tangent square theta 加9就等於9 secant square theta。咁就1/3，咁 in 埋啫，即係1/3 theta。咁1/3 theta 咧，你就轉翻佢就會1/3 arctan 嚟㗎啦。呢個就係個答案啦。咁嗱，呢種情況裡面咧，但係你保證咧，如果係上面係 linear constant 啊，就可以用呢個 Trigonometry substitution 嘅方法。咁但係如果萬一咧，佢而家個問題咧 B 嗰個問題，佢分子咧係 linear 嘅 quadratic 咧就可以用 long division 啊，或者係多個 quadratic 以上嘅就 long division。如果係佢係linear 嘅話咧，咁我哋有一個叫 decomposition theory 嘅。咁 decompose 開咩咧？好。將佢 decompose 開做兩嚿嘢，一嚿係 constant， 一嚿咧我抄咗一次先啊。一嚿係 constant， 呢嚿係 constant 嚟嘅。呢嚿咧係 linear， 嗱 linear 得嚟咧就要即係要係等於 d 咗下面嗰嚿嘢，所以等於係 2x 加4。咁都係一個2，咁就乘翻1/2。咁你就會 balance 到，你發覺你冇咗呢嚿嘅，咁加1呢度變咗加2，咁所以呢度要減翻1。咁寫翻個 dx， 咁呢個叫 decomposition law 啊。呢個咧係要分子係等於分母d 分母，即係簡單啲講就咁樣講啦。好，咁所以前面嗰嚿，咁呢個就叫 decomposition law 啊 ，decomposition law。咁 decompose 開咧就1/2，就1/x square 加 4x 加13d log， 唔係 d log 係 d x square 加 4x 加13，整完之後叻出落嚟㗎，後面嗰嚿就係 arctan 嚟嘅，照抄答案啫。咁前面嗰嚿係1/2叻錯落 x square 4x square 加 4x 加13，再加翻後面嗰堆嘢，咁就有個答案。咁呢條即係好簡明，清楚描述到佢個方法出嚟。咁呢個即係就可以你當入門啊！即係如果你微積分裡面 differentiation 你咪唔識呢個方法咧，咁即係入門你入唔到門㗎啦，咁就俾人踢出局㗎啦。好，咁我哋講完，咁最後一呼籲。Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. This question is from one of my students, DSE M2. This is a curve stretching. I also doubt that her UT question is very similar to the question in this year. Even this question, the asking the type of the question, the asking type and the tone are exactly same as this the year the DSE M2 question in year of 2025. So crazy. Okay, let's look at this question. At any point the curve y equal to f is the slope of the tangent to the g. G means that the curve of the length of the curve, and is equal to 4x plus 24x plus 22 over x plus 3 all square. It is given that g passes through this question by writing expressed in the form of this one, and it is actually the method of computing square. I write here, factorize x 4, and this is 6. 6i plus 3 square minus 3 square, and then 4x plus 3 all square minus 9. And finally, that is 4 bracket x plus 3 all square. Let me see the solution. 4 times 9 minus 20, negative 14. Okay, in this case, a equal to 4, b equal to 3, c equal to negative 14. Okay, so the fx is increasing for x greater than 0. Let's do it in this part. First, I write down the question and change the denominator to the format in part B, and separate it them into two parts. One part is 4 minus 14 over x plus 3 all square, and then from this, for x greater than or equal to 0, then x plus 3 is greater than equal to 3, then x plus 3 square is greater than 9. 1 over x plus 3 square is less than or equal to 9. 1 over 9. Okay, then negative 14 over x plus 3 all square is greater than or equal to negative 14 over 9. Then plus both hand side plus 4. It doesn't change the sign, inequality sign of that function. That it here is equal to, let me see, equal to 4 minus 14 over 9. It is 22 over 9. That means this one is greater than, because it is equal to 22 over 9 is greater than 0. Therefore, and this function is increasing function. No. Because the slope, shit. Because the slope is positive. That means the function should be increasing. Therefore, fx, y equal to fx is increasing. Yes, that's part B. Okay, for part C, find the equation of g. That means we have to integrate this function. Integrate this function means integrate this. And that 4x minus plus 14 over x plus 3 plus constant c. And this curve passes through the points 4, 13. 4, 13. That means y equal to 13. And x equal to 4. This is 7. It is u. Then the c should be equal to negative 5. Therefore, y is equal to negative 5. Y equal to 4x plus 14 over x plus 3 minus 5. Okay, for D, write down the asymptote. It is easy job because that obviously the oblique is y equal to 4x minus 5, and vertical vertical asymptote is x equal to -3. That's the whole part of this question. It is actually a simple question but very meaningful because it's very similar to that question this year, 2025. Question, I forgot, it should be question 9. Okay, but anyway, I hope guys can enjoy this video, and if you found Dr.K.